Do the same thing for part B. It's also going to put me in quadrant 2 in this case. I calculate what r is. I get that r equals 10 using the Pythagorean theorem. I also note that, here I'm going to calculate what alpha is. And I get alpha is pi over 6, but theta is this angle here. That's what I need. So theta is going to be an angle that has a reference angle of pi over 6, but puts me into quadrant 2. That's 5 pi over 6. So my polar coordinates are 10 comma 5 pi over 6. Well, usually, in polar coordinates, and I mentioned this in the textbook, they usually try to make sure that the angle is an angle between 0 and 2 pi, preferably. You can have negative angles in polar coordinates. It's just, preferably when we write them, we tend to keep them as angles between 0 and 2 pi. 2 comma 6, here I don't see any, I'm going to still calculate what r is. It's in quadrant 1. R is going to be 2 times the square root of 10. So it's an irrational number, not really a nice number. When I do the arctangent of 6 divided by 2, or the arctangent of 3, I get 1.2490. But that's what alpha equals. But since I'm in quadrant 1, theta and alpha are the same thing. So theta is going to be approximately 1.2490. So my polar coordinates are going to be 2 square root 10, comma, 1.2490.